Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode, we're going to take you on a great ride in northern Arizona to a little known place to stay at that is totally amazing. And you never know who just might stop by. You'll want to see who came for a visit the day after we left. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you. We're glad to have you as part of the Road Rush Nation. We always enjoy meeting members of the Road Rush Nation on the highways. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome, and we hope you join the nation and come along on some amazing adventures as we share our great Harley road trips. We never plan just a basic trip. There is going to be something different to see and experience, like taking our bikes on a cruise ship and riding the islands, or when we went to a popular Harley movie location right off Route 66. Or even that Harley-themed motel we stayed at the night before we rode to Bryce Canyon. If you would like to be part of our amazing Road Rush Nation, subscribers, and experience these unique places, then give us a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing trips. So let's get to this adventure. Like I said before, I never plan just the same old road trip. I will find something unique to see or visit. And of course, the ride has got to be amazing to get there. I will keep a list of just random places and routes. And then when we get the opportunity to take a trip in that area, I will sort through and start making a list of places and roads to travel. This time, we are heading to Marble Canyon, Arizona. This stop was after we had left the north rim of the Grand Canyon. I had booked us a night stay at the Cliff Dwellers Lodge. I'll make sure there's a link in the description so you can check this place out. I had heard about this place from an article on a little known places in Arizona that had great food. Big deal, right? But what really caught my eye was the old rustic western feeling of the place. And then I learned the history. So then I just had to put it on our list of places to stay. But the ride getting there, that was even a better surprise. Take a look at some of the great curves that we got to ride leaving the North Rim. The scenery and rock formations we got to ride through was just awe-inspiring. You don't get to do this on just any route. So let's talk about this route. We started at the north rim of the Grand Canyon, and our destination is here, Marble Canyon. You'll see it can be anywhere from 85 miles to 76 miles. Well, we weren't going to go backtracking to go this way, so we decided to take this side route. That's where we hit all these amazing curves, and the terrain was just awesome. You can't really tell in the video how steep that grade is, but it was freaking awesome. So this will take you about 2 hours and 40 minutes. Well worth it. Then you'll get out into the flat area here, and you'll link up with 89A. Now, this is a great route. You'll also see that you're riding right along the cliffs here of the Vermilion Cliffs National Monument. That's where you see these beautiful cliffs. And Cliff Dwellers Lodge is literally right up next to those cliffs, and it's amazing. So you're in this valley of these cliffs, and they even told us during dinner, as the sun sets and you look off to the east, the cliffs there will almost look like they're on fire because of the glow from the sun. It's really great. But the ride out there was just so relaxing and just beautiful because of the terrain you're seeing. You're in the cliffs. It's just beautiful. Well worth it. Not a lot of traffic because not too many people ride back in through here or drive back here. But this will bring you up to the Navajo Reservation, which gives you some added things to see and visit while you stay here. We only stayed one night, and I wish we had stayed longer. It was well worth it. I keep telling you about the Cliff Dwellers Lodge, and now it's time to check this place out. I told you you'd be right up next to the cliffs, and I wasn't joking. This camping area is for the various seasonal guides for all the activities they offer, from fishing to river rafting. This lodge was built in 1923, and we stayed in these original cabins. There's a newer section if you prefer, but we liked the old nostalgic. And then take a look at this view of the valley we had. It was gorgeous. And there's nothing out here. So at night, when you sit on your front porch, the stars are just overwhelming. You can sit there for hours and there's no distraction from city lights or anything. It's like stepping back in time. This place was fantastic. Oh, and did I happen to mention, there was this one guy who happened to show up the day after we left. He kind of likes this place. So if it can get an endorsement from Indiana Jones, you know this place is well worth the visit. So I highly recommend putting Cliff Dwellers Lodge in Marble Canyon, Arizona on your list of places to visit. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.